Hey guys, how about this weather? Short sleeve shirts in December. It's awesome. And you know what else makes it awesome? This weather's very good for road construction. I'm here on State Route 199 near the Laurens and Treutlen County line, which has been closed for more than a month because of a road washout. Because of the warmer weather this week, though, we're able to get a lot of work done. There are two major things going on here. One thing is paving. It's been a challenge getting this done because asphalt can't be paved if it's too cold. Fortunately, this week, the weather is cooperating. We're also building a concrete wall to surround the new pipes. This wall wasn't here before the road washed out. We're rebuilding things stronger to lower the chances of this happening again. Be sure to follow our page for continued updates about this. We're hoping to have it back open to you soon, but again, it is very weather dependent. Hoping to take full advantage of this warmer weather this week. In the meantime, be safe, everyone.